Complete Glass Supply are Perth's #1 supplier and installer of custom-made glass splashbacks. With a legacy built on expertise and years of experience, our name stands as a hallmark of excellence. Time and again, our skilled teams have transformed spaces, both residential and commercial, exceeding customer expectations every time. For customers with an eye for the extraordinary, our exclusive collections of mirror and non-reflective matte splashbacks could be the perfect solution. Complete Glass Supply, a symphony of quality and style. For guidance or to experience our expertise firsthand, connect with us or step into our showroom.